Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your printer to your JioFiber router. First, confirm your printer has wireless capabilities, as this guide focuses on wireless connections. Power on both your printer and your JioFiber router, placing them within a reasonable distance, typically within 10 to 15 feet, for optimal signal strength. Have your JioFiber Wi-Fi network's name and its corresponding password on hand. Confirm your printer's software and drivers are already installed on your computer before beginning the connection. Many modern printers and routers support Wi-Fi Protected Setup, or WPS, for a quick connection. Locate the WPS button on your JioFiber router, usually on the back or side. Press and hold this button for about 3 seconds until its light starts blinking. Immediately, within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your printer. The printer will then automatically establish a secure connection with your JioFiber network, indicating success with a steady light or on-screen message. If your printer does not have a WPS button, or if the WPS method fails, you can connect manually. On your printer's display screen, navigate to the Setup menu, often found under Wireless or Network Settings. Choose the Wireless Setup Wizard or Wi-Fi Setup option. Your printer will scan for available networks. Select your JioFiber network name, also known as its SSID, from the list. Carefully input your Wi-Fi password when prompted, confirming each character. Once you believe your printer is connected, it is crucial to verify its network status. From your printer's control panel, locate the option to print a network configuration page or wireless test report. This report will display your printer's assigned IP address, network name, and connection status. On your computer, open a web browser and type the printer's IP address into the address bar. Successfully accessing the printer's internal web interface confirms it is fully communicating on your JioFiber network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.